Hello guys, today we are going to be unboxing a unicorn puppets and dad's hand puppets. First, okay, already starts. Here's the faster one. Maybe it's not faster at all, just a little bit faster. And there are some more steps to do this, like one, two, three. Here's the step. Oh, what's happening? I had this something for babies for you. 3, 2, 1. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Just some Lupin's rainbow like the circle one. 3, 2, 1. The colors of the rainbow is, kids, do you know colors of the rainbow? Okay, first, already we have red, orange. Okay, I will try it. I will be sandwich. Be a sandwich? No. Okay, do you miss red? Somebody miss red? Somebody doesn't know red? Okay, some more. You doesn't find orange? Okay, and yellow. Oh no. Where's the red? About yellow? Can you what? Okay, how about green? Wait. How about a blue?